Hi guys! So ayan, titignan natin yung result ng aking IELTS exam. Hindi ko kaya guys. So anak ko muna yung titingin. Oh my gosh! Pagit na ating kuko. Oh my gosh! Go, go, let's go, let's do this! Bilisan mo naman, nak. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Ah! Ano na? What?
Na-confirm pa yan.
Ano? Ah?
Wala pa. In an hour.
Deng, deng, deng. So, we'll just wait. Naubos na yung English ko, day. No, wala to na lang nato. Di man maklaro. Wait lang.
Over.
Oh, wala man. So, wait lang natin. Ah,
I look emo.
saan ka nagpunta na?
Press skin down.
Access your result.
Yan, tapos wala pa.
Sabi, your results are available. Your result, blah, 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 have been released. Oh my gosh, nak. Ayusin mo, nak.
Past 2 years.
Ha?
Past 2 years, Jun.
Ano daw?
Yeah. Not official.
Isa ka.
Your official test report from TRF.
Ano daw? Ano daw? Ano sabi?
Your results available online are not official. They are provisionally only until you receive your official test report form.
O saan naman? Wala ako nakikita. Oh my gosh! Ano yun?
Yung password. Ulit. Nakita ko agad, tapos nagbalik naman and put your passport in.
Nanginginig na ako, day.
I saw it. And then I saw numbers and then like
Oh my gosh. Para ako manganganak. Oh my gosh.
ano manili?
Bilis na.
Wala pa daw.
Di ba may numbers na kanina?
Kani,
Slowly lang.
check your results here.
Here, sige go. Check your results here.
IELTS on paper or online?
Ah,
Saan dito?
Ah. Computer. Oh my gosh! Ay! Bilis na!
So speaking 6.0, listening is 5.5, reading 5.5.
Oh my gosh, wala nagbago yung isa. Baka naman pwede pa mag-akyat-akyat konti ba para may difference din. Oh my gosh, thank you Lord.
Pasado yarn.
Na oh my gosh, okay na gid nako tanan akong tinaguan guys.
Overall 6.0.
Yeah, medyo-
for this test.
Mas lower last year na exam ko 5.5 din yung listening.
Listening, Jun.
Oh,
Listening and reading.
Pero not bad, my gosh. Uy, kung nakatake mo IELTS exam, guys, paki-comment din sa inyong experience.